Many emotions change, so I could never trust a bitch. I tried to help niggas get on, they turned around and spit right in my face, so game and broke and suck a dick. Now when you hear him, it may sound like it's some other shit, cause I'm not writing anymore, they not making hits. I'm far from perfect, there's so many lessons how to learn. If money's evil, look at all the evil I done earned. I'm doing what I'm supposed to, I'm a writer, I'm a fighter, entrepreneur, fresh out the sewer, watch me maneuver. What's it to you? The track I lace it, it's better than basic. This is my recovery, my comeback kid.
Sharpening my machete, sipping on some of that revenge juice, getting my taste buds ready to whoop down this spaghetti. Or should I say this spaghetti even? Think you fucking meatballs keep on this spaghetti. Thought he was finished, motherfucker, it's only the beginning. He's bugging again, he's straight thugging. Fuck who he's offending. Here if your vocal cords out and half the bitches plugged in the motherfucking wall with 3,000 volts of electricity. Now take the other end up from them fucking motherfuckers and eat one of your eye sockets, cause I thought you might find me fucking see. That'll teach you to go voice in your cocks looking up in your enemy. I done put my blood, my sweat, and my tears in this shit. Swap betting up, you're gonna end up regretting you ever bet it against me. Feels like I'm a snap any minute, yeah, it's happening again. And I'm thinking about the same motherfucker, everybody that's up in this bitch. 150, cause this is all I know. This is why so hard I go, swear to God, I put my heart and soul in this more than anybody knows. I'm trapped, so all I do is rap. And every time I rap, I'm more trapped. And I wrap myself right into this bubble. Oh, guess it's bubble rap. It's like a vicious cycle. My life is in a crisis. Christ, how was I supposed to know shit would turn out like it did? Feels like I'm going psycho again. And I might just blow my lid. Shit, I almost wish that I would've never made recovery, kid. Cause I'm running in circles with
confused since I was a kid. So like 40 million records, people forgot what I did. Maybe this is for me, maybe I'm supposed to go crazy. Maybe I'll do it 3 a.m. in the morning like Shady. Psycho killer Michael Myers, I'm on fire like a liar. Trying to say this ain't classic, get your ass kicked mad. Quick wrap your head up in plastic, pussy now make a gasket. Dirt nap with the maggots, it's tragic, it's sad, it's never gonna end. I'll be #1 again with that frown in your face and your heart full of hate. Accept it, respect it, it's a gift God given like the air and the lungs. Every fucking thing living.